Today we are back on the dairy farm. Weather predictions were nice and sunny with wind speeds between 5 to 11 kilometers per hour. But we all know how it goes when it comes to nature. My wife and I are out smacking some doves today, so sit back and enjoy. Got the first one here at 62 yards. And gonna see if my turret tape won't let me down today, so let's see. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Got that one. Just a quick indication, I'm shooting the H&N Slug HPs, the 23 grainers at 974 feet per second. The gun is tuned last week Saturday, and it's really performing well with those slugs at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here for a bit and see how much I can smack here, then I'll pass along and see what we can get there. Just as I wanted to stand up and pick that first dove up, there's another two that came in. They're at 61 yards. So let's see, hopefully I don't mess this one up. What a beautiful shot. Got that one too. There it expires. So two brilliant shots at 61 yards. You are probably wondering why have I switched over to yards and not meters anymore. Well, recently loads of people have been asking me to add the distances that I'm shooting in or shooting on in yards as well. So I just decided to switch everything over to yards. It will make it more convenient for the guys that watch my videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick those three up, and hopefully we can get another couple. That's a house sparrow at around 40 yards. Oh, there's another one. another one. I tend not to shoot house sparrows that much because can't really eat them. They're so tiny. Not a lot of meat on that I can use. But obviously around here there's so many birds that are pest birds. The thing is, the farmer used to put out poison for the rodents and stuff around here, and then obviously some of these smaller birds go eat it and they die inside of the in the food of the cattle, and sometimes the cattle eat the bird as well and they get sick, and yeah, it's just a messy story at the end of the day. So the farmer loses a lot of money when it comes to poison. I don't know if he stopped using it, but I can remember in the past there was definitely some issues with poison and so on. But always fun. 41 yards, not really that far, but always nice to see them explode like that. Oh. That was a house sparrow, 41 yards. That was devastating. The thump that thing made was crazy. H&N Slug HP's 23 grains at 974 feet per second. That's just crazy. This is really something else. In the past I used to shoot them about 20 feet per second less, but after tuning the gun a little bit, getting it up there, the accuracy is a little bit better now. So yeah, 41 yards is not really that far, but always a joy, always a joy.
Die lijkt of dat baie is. Daar wil ons die.
Ja, hou direk op hy voor ons.
Die een wat loop.
Ja, nee, wat stil staan jy. Die kruis direk op ons sy net staan. Nice, she got one. 61 yards. My wife hasn't shot in a very long time, but it's actually very nice to have her with me today and shoot with me. So I think it's one of the most rewarding things is if you can take somebody with you that enjoys the sport with you. Oh, what a beauty! What a beauty! 55 yards. That one just tipped over. We are struggling with crazy winds from our left hand side, but the Slugs really performs well in the wind, as you guys know. But that was just amazing. 55 yard shot, perfect kill. maybe a bit low, but it's a kill. 41 yards.
Flat.
42 is diezelfde.
Ik kan in Engels spreken.
Nice. That looks like a headshot. I think so. Brilliantly done. 42 yards. That is definitely a headshot. Great. My wife shot, both of them at 41 to 42 yards. The first one fluttered around until it came to a stop, probably about 10 feet away from where it got shot. It wasn't really low, it was right here by the wing. It just had some gas in it. This one is a bloody mess. A nice headshot, I think, or a neck shot, but a great shot from her side. Okay guys and girls, we're gonna call it a day. It was tons of fun out here on the dairy farm again today, and it was a big pleasure for me to have my wife with me shooting here today as well, not being the camera lady only, but also taking some quality shots. The wind was hectic, but we managed to get some nice shots out on longer ranges. So if you guys like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Also remember to share it and hit that subscribe button with the bell notification to see some more. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.